Teja. So today's video is all about skincare and how I got rid or how I treated my pimples, scars, and just in general dealing with breakouts. Now I know everyone has these and it's annoying as hell when you just break out. And yeah, so I have been traveling a lot in the past few months, and Diwali time was here and I was eating out, doing crazy things, being out in the dirt and the sun. And also, there is only smoke in the air nowadays. And I was breaking out quite a lot, especially in the past month, but I did manage to sort of treat it and it's a lot better now. I'm not wearing any makeup except a lip balm with a little bit of like lip color mixed into it. That's it. So I have included the La Roche-Posay range in my skincare, and I'm going to show you guys and share my experience with you about how the results have been and how I use it and all of that, along with a few lifestyle in general like diet and health tips. So I don't know if you guys know, but my mom's a doctor, she's a gynecologist, and she's also a yoga expert. So she keeps telling me all day long about how to take care of my body and what I need to eat to feel good and for my body and skin to just be really, really nice. So I'm going to share a lot of those tips with you guys as well. So let's get started. Before that, if you guys are new here, I would love if you would subscribe to my channel. You can click the red button right here and hit the bell notification to be notified every time I upload a video. I'm going to start with why we break out. So the first thing is hormones or puberty. Now, that's sort of unavoidable. You can't really do much about that. The second thing is stress. Most of the people that I know deal with stress, and this can be tackled. This is not just being very clean and pollution in the air. The thing that I feel is an unhealthy diet. Now for me, I'm really boring with my food choices. I love ghar ka khana. A lot of you will think that I'm crazy, but yeah, I don't like eating out so much. So at a stretch, if I'm not exercising and not eating proper food, my skin goes crazy. Moving on to the products. So I have the La Roche-Posay range. This, guys, is really, really good. I've been using these for about 1.5 months now, and I've really seen a difference in my skin. I always have pimples over here or around my nose, around my chin, forehead, like basically the oily areas. The scars have really reduced. Like here, I always have like red scars, but they've started going and I'm really happy about that only with a month of use. There are 3 steps to this whole process. The first thing is the face wash, purifying foaming gel for oily, sensitive skin. That's perfect for me because I have oily and I also have slightly sensitive skin. There's a gel. You just put it on your face and it lathers up really nicely. So one really nice thing about this is that it feels, it doesn't have any random smells or fragrances. So it feels like it's very clinical. These are dermatologically tested. They've always advised me to use products without any fancy smells or fancy textures. The simpler you keep it, the better it is. The next step is this blue thing right here. It is a micro exfoliant. It's like a toner. This basically exfoliates your skin. Like you have scrubs and stuff. So this is a liquid thing that does it. This has salicylic acid. Now I looked it up. I'd heard about salicylic acid before being used in creams to fight acne. But what it actually does is it, helps the outer layer of your skin, which is the epidermis, shed faster. So every time you use this, you're actually getting a new layer of skin. So it's exfoliating. So this is pretty good. So you just basically put it on a cotton pad and you just, wipe your entire face with it and you will see the gunk on that cotton pad. Even after you wash your face, there's a lot of gunk on your face that needs to come out. More than anything, it's really satisfying to use this. One thing though, it smells really chemically. So, and it stings sometimes if you have like a little cut or like a slight bruise or something. That's the only thing, but otherwise I quite enjoy using this. And the last step is this moisturizer. This is like the best moisturizer I have ever used. And I watched a lot of reviews of this product before I started using it, and everyone says that this is so good, and that is totally true. As it is, you don't have to use a lot of it, you use only a little bit. It just goes over your face nicely. It doesn't leave you feeling oily, which is so annoying when you put cream and it's all sticky. It's really pissing off. But this doesn't do that and it absorbs really fast, so that's really good. Also, once you're done putting it, your skin instantly feels very smooth. So that's really nice. That is it for the skincare that I do every day. I do this every morning and every night. One more thing that I noticed is that my tanning visibly reduced. I don't mind getting tan, but my skin looks really like dull and it tans in places like only my nose. So that looks very odd, and that's visibly reduced. So I'm really happy about that. Okay, now moving on to the lifestyle tips. Now I feel these are so important. Okay, even if you don't have acne, you don't have any problem in the world, you should really do these things because they keep your body fit, they keep your organs and whatever. You just feel very, very good, and everything will work fine. The first thing is to not be stressed. I overthink a lot. I take a lot of stress about silly things, and I would just be so worried about my work. I managed to put all of that into control, and I've seen such a difference in my body, the way my mood is, and the way my skin is even. So that is a big, big factor. The second thing is to eat proper food. Like I mentioned, have lots of vegetables, have fruits, have things that are locally available, have things that are seasonal. Don't go having a mango in winter. Next is water. Okay, I can't stress this enough. And I also suck at drinking water. If you can have 2.5 to 3 liters water a day, it's awesome, and you will see such a difference. Like I tried this once. I had 3 bottles of water every day, and in 1 week my skin was like radiating light. It was so good. Next is exercise. Very, very important. You all should exercise every day. Do something. Try doing yoga. Yoga, I know, has changed everything for a lot of people. My mom, one of my friends, try it. It's really, really good, and it keeps everything inside your body functioning well, apart from you looking good in your skin. So if everything inside your body is functioning well, your skin will also radiate that. Next thing is to just generally be hygienic. Have a bath every day, wash your hair, and clean your face, keep your nails clean. And another thing is to keep your makeup brushes clean. Okay, this is a big one. And keep your phone clean. Like wipe it with like a wet wipe or something, an antibacterial wipe. And these things that keep happening, I figured out it's because of my phone, because my phone is so bloody dirty. And also one more thing, you wash your face twice a day. Don't wash more than that, because you'll strip it of its natural oils, and that actually causes more acne in turn, because your face feels like you need to produce more oil because you're stripped of it. And yeah, if you guys found this video helpful, do make sure you subscribe to my channel. My face will be somewhere on the screen. You can click on that and subscribe. If you have any other tips or suggestions, please leave them in the comments below. And yeah, I will see you guys next time. Bye.